Akufitla ko downs, you know what Manyaka, I think there was no basic bonus structure.
Okay.
When that season, I think this is when the season Mutsepe took over.
Yes.
Yeah. We would play games, Razone, and then for the first time in my career, because I remember the tournament before the season started, the Telkom Charity Cup, if you can remember.
Yes.
Yeah.
There's 4 teams. In tournament,
Yeah.
4 teams tournament.
We won the tournament, Razo. And it doesn't have that much money because
Yes, it's spectacular.
Yeah, but then
And it is not sure.
you're expecting
Just more about charity.
yes, you're expecting Zotola Masentinyana. Razo, the president tells us that he's gonna double the money as he winile.
Yeah.
Razo, you hear what I'm saying? I'm not making up stories.
Yeah.
Shelter tournament.
Yeah, tournament. He doubles it.
Yeah, but that's crazy if you ask me.
That is-
times 2.
This is pre-season, Razo Lakana. We're playing that Telkom Charity tournament.
Sure.
Good day and a warm welcome to Sports Geek with Sponelo Ngobo and
Lebo Ditlhake.
oh yes, so this is the sports show that looks at different sporting code, anything and everything sport goes. Hence, it is called Sports Geek with Sponelo Ngobo and Lebo Ditlhake. Don't forget that today's show is proudly brought to you by Ditlhake Construction and Plant Hire, so as Ditlhake Cash Loans. In the event your bank balance is not a bank balancing, we know exactly what to do. You can always get in touch with them on 073 956 8647. So as your constructions and plant needs, you can always get in touch with them at Ditlhake Plant Construction. You use the very same number, which is 073 956 8647. Oh, like I did mention at the inception of this show, that this show, it looks at different sporting codes, and this time around we are definitely looking at football. And guess what? Oh, as always, siyahamba siyozingela and look for the Baringas French cream de la creme. Apana ingwa ama top notch. Shanga ama top notch wodwa laphana. Sabi laphana we went and sathola laphana the super legend himself. Just listen to this smallanyana profile that I'm going to share with you. He played lapana for Hellenic. Yes, the mighty Greek gods. Hellenic yabo Carlos Dasnali. Hellenic yabo lapana in goals. I believe there was the likes of Patrick Wasmouth, Uskan Zonzo. Lapana up front, there was also a legend. Lapana, I believe he's also late in season lapana. Reggie Yankis. Lapana, that is the mighty Hellenic for you, the Greek gods. What? Uma ngokuthi mhlambe ngicathi ngiyaphelelwa eCape Town, I can always go to Gauteng. Most pity sa Gauteng wangena walenda what National City National lapana baya lapana bafana base Clark Kopo Mamelodi Sundowns omaqaphana kusala bafana ba style wafika wangena lapana wathi khalakasha wangena wadlala lapana wagcwalisela dingangatha ko Pitori washo wathi kitseni bana kitseni kitsoblome nizogcwala ngami niyathanda anithandi. Bathe besamangala but I owe one band mhlawumbe ugcwalisela dingangatha Pitori kuphela weza egoli qobo Gauteng maboneng straight ko Johannesburg wagijima laphana nakwiswayiswayi Morocco Swallows laphana ayakhombisa ukuthi insizwa I see a one band akhongoja isabayo where there is a demand for top notch skill. He was always there. He always heeded that call. Ababesamgabaza but just doing local. I mean really there's nothing to write home about. Guess what? Look at this as I do international football. Yes, he is posting Bafana international caps. More than 10 Bafana caps. To be exact, I believe he played for the international team Bafana 12 times. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome abamaziyo laphana eBloemfontein. Angeke ngilisho ligama laseBloemfontein. Yes, ngizolisho linye bakhona abambiza ngodudu. Bakhona abambiza ngalo laphana bemangaunge esayintwana. Angizolisho lelo. But I'll just do which everyone knows. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Vuyo Merrill.
Unjani khulumani yami?
Ngitsona.
Sharp. Yeah. After that introduction, asambeni.
Asambeni asibangele.
Hayi chayile.
Hayi
chayile bantu.
First, I'd like to apologize for isikhathi. Not that we're too much late, but laphana my colleague UDK told us You've been here since about an hour back. That says a lot about your commitment. That says a lot about your level of discipline. I must say, I felt so bad. Now I got here on set 2 minutes to go. You've been here when about an hour. Surely I have to apologize, especially from my side. No label also ufike late now after all. Ufike late. We was already here. So both of us we owe you an apology. We were supposed to be here. Iberuna that give him a welcome.
Sure.
But it was the other way around.
Yeah.
Makhotman Baka, let me start first by ukubulisa emadlaleni ngidumedise the viewers. Please don't forget to subscribe bafethu.
Oh yes.
Yeah, and that's one of some of the things, they are just a tattoo. Once you get used to something, you're used to doing it all your life,
Second
it becomes second nature. And you guys now, it's not like you are guilty of anything. You've been here. The aim of you guys being is to start the show on time. So you guys are here. So ukuthi ubani ufike 5 hours earlier okwakhe lo.
Okay. Thanks for being a modest apology.
Angisakhulumi next. Uyabona uvuyo ucedile nje. Thank you bro. Sure.
Okay, he did cover. He did cover you. Without any further ado, Vuyo, and also for the benefit of our viewers, yes, they know Vuyo Mary, go Swallows, go Hellenic, go Bafana, everywhere. Bamazula pan of Vuyo Mary. Platinum Stars. How can I forget Platinum Stars? Platinum Stars 2013. So kuluma ngalo mkhuba nayenza go 2013 lapana ukhona ku Platinum Stars. We are coming to that just for the benefit of our viewers. But yes, Yamaz of Vuyo Mary all over the show. But Vuyo Mary, Kimang exactly, where was he born and bred exactly? Just for the page, just that high level profiling.
Vuyo Mary was born in 1984 on the 5th of March, Jerusalem, in the dusty streets of Bloemfontein, Rocklands, Komangaung Street. Yeah.
City of Roses.
Ketawa yeo sa. Na batho ba mpona ba ngwana ga umama batho ba tswa Mlomo, they know when you are from Free State or originally from Bloem, ngwana ga umama. Yeah. So now yes, I'm proudly ngwana ga umama.
Hey.
Okay, so lapana go Bloemfontein as ukula, lapana I believe your professional breakthrough was Kokapa. You are based in Bloemfontein, Chigi Solwande lapana ekapa. Talk to us, how did your professional breakthrough eventually come about?
Truly speaking, I had a natural, a normal upbringing njengamanye amachitekazi, whereas what we do or to run away from the chores ascending is to go play street football and everything. So now it happened, my dad started a team trying to just utahlanganisa amachita because he wanted them to stay away from into the drugs and all gangsterism in our areas. So we started taking serious that time, but I was still young, so I couldn't play le Makhotman, Abo Shakes, Abo G, Abo Cantona. So I'm a Makhotman, they were playing for my dad's team. So now I started playing with them, and I think it gave me an upper edge now. So now the challenges now, I think it helped me to overcome those challenges on my own. Because you are trying to break through into this team at Glala Makhotman.
Yes.
The time I call only team. Obviously now it's difficult already. Maudala uzothi uyangena. So now I moved on from meeting Miaga time and then went to join this other one called UK Babies. And from there now, this is when the opportunities the provincial team of Southern Free State. It was called Southern Free State.
Yes.
So now, while we're playing for Southern Free State, there was a tournament in Cape Town. It was an under-14 tournament. Yes. Whereas, those times, it was a provincial tournament. The best of the best players. Yes. So now, luckily enough for me, there were many scouts from different teams.
Okay.
But Ajax, School of Excellence, Hellenic was also there. Oh. So now I was lucky enough or fortunate enough, or I was scouted by Hellenic or Cape Town.
kana go eo.
Yeah, ka nako eo.
So team ya time lao e ne le team e ne le division A1 fela le mo Grootman.
E ne le na le di-divisions tse di-different, but I was still young.
Eh.
E ne le, that time, I think I was something around 8-9 years old. And then it started go under 14 to go up there. So now I can't, Razo, I can't. But then training is fun. They will accommodate me.
Sure.
But then
Go game me.
yeah, go game me up, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hey.
Yeah, so now that is why I had to move away or ke kgone lo enjoy a disc somewhere. And that is why I think Tamalaka didn't have a problem there. He let me go ke lo dlala ko UK Babies. Even it was a distance to walk to. So yeah, you know, Kasiaka ki Pelindaba, and there it was called Blumanda.
Okay.
Yeah, so it was a bit too far. Hotman will go. Yeah.
So mo yanong how start mo no dlala into position efe.
I was a midfielder ke starta go game mo game. I enjoyed myself. Problem ya ka next batlo maka. Yeah, nane ke batla o nkaiwa diski
Over.
and then a lot of yeah. Ke be ke dile ka ba.
Mara wa mona. Red bag e wa bona. Wa bona motho di kan shoulder. Wa mona. Motho na le tswekere.
A lot of things that happened go teaming ya go magotmane ba ntsenye mo tseleng, especially go at training go my dad's team. They worked on that weakness of mine. Now when I batla go dlalla team ya o tshwere polo fela. Now mark ya o etse next. So no, you're not used to the team. Every time ona santse re gereze go kae polo and wena ka go Messi
Mo ikentse
no ntwana lo bana ko wena santse o mark o kae magotmane. But then it changed something more na gotmane because hona le na le dintwana nyana tse ding re tima le tsone. They were doing that and they would get the praise ya no bona dintanga tsa o di etsa di kaya rona diski di aspana wena santse re fe wena. And now that attitude now I think was tattooed ka monna ga so go etse keng, you need to work hard for everything.
Sure.
Yeah, so now when I went to UK Babies Razo, I was just a different player.
No feel
Necessarily, you know, knowing that, you know, Sansu be hard worker and everything. And I think that is why now I started to be spotted. Ke kgona ho dlalla di Southern Free State, the provincial teams, and then Boyusasa and all that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So lapana ego wa Hellenic how fitla da afterwards nya more reserve side or first team.
When I left, I think I was 14 years. And there was a under 14, but then Leona man, I was nothing too good for you at that time. Now I'm just stating fact.
It is what it is.
Position alone in midfield.
Yeah, it's at the midfield. When I got there, because I already started playing for the national team under 12, the under 14. So now when I got there, also, I think I was a level ahead of the other players.
Yeah.
So that's
age mates.
Yeah, that's when maybe I started playing a month or two. After that, I was promoted to the under 17s.
Okay.
Yeah.
Would you time allow sharp on a play? Wait, Talamoy, because of the way we want it.
Tsena ka Blomo botse ka Mambush director me. There was a team called Bloemfontein Bucks back then.
Okay.
In a trapper Celtics, you know, Lita Mokitla, the legends, they never trapper. Time like I didn't have a chance to see him play, but then everywhere I go over, when I was swagger.
How you can whatever
Swagger. I see the also when I fit he about Lella. I also simulate Simula Maji swag. Yeah, but then it gave me a motivation. This surname is already there, so I need to just continue with the legacy. But then pressure, it's not like time I made it into the professional ranks. But then for me, which means I had to surpass what he achieved. So now, I think when I got to Hellenic, because everybody wants to leave Kasik at our age. You want to go in an academy because you're not thinking of playing professionally. Academy, whereas you're going to be treated professionally and given a chance to go professional. So I was excited. But then it came challenging because you know the old lady. Old lady didn't want me to fly because I was yes. You see, that's the first thing I bought. Skela no, and you are the only child. No, you sala you concentrate mo skela o tla dlala mo kasi. O lady I tshwane.
So about go convince of get time
time wa come to lisa time go site e ka la ntweng
Opta Sebo.
ke betsa Sebo ke ra time a emenyana ke a vaya ye.
Sure.
But luckily enough ba le ba dumela ba Hellenic so that they can come and see the premises go Cape Town.
Okay.
Ba bona gore go je ke hostel a gazo like skela o ya fela o ya kwa o boya o kwallo e chai. Yeah, so I think time out blomile 3 days 4 days. I fetsa o bona how those lights were leaving. I bona set up and then I was convinced to give not.
Then your big breakthrough, Mamelodi Sundowns. Talk to us. How did it eventually come about from Cape Town to Glorgopia? Don't forget that Sports Geek with Sibonelo Ngcobo and Lebo Dihlage is proudly brought to you by Dihlage Construction and Plant Hire, so as Dihlage Cash Loans. And don't forget, if your bank balance is not a bank balancing too well, to give them a call on 073-956-8647. And Lapana Monas Lapana eating was a construction and plant hire. Lapano Tinga about TLP, Vaterkan, excavators, you name it, you know exactly what to do. Always give them a call on the very same number, which is 073-956-8647. While you're still watching a Sports Geek with Sibonelo Ngcobo, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and even better, share the link. Make the circle bigger.
So there was a lot of mess. You see, after everything going into a professional setup,
Yes.
everything was going so smoothly. So Hellenic, obviously, we had challenges. So fight a relegation now.
Yes.
But then I'm enjoying my soccer. We always in the league. And then the Greeks decided to sell the team also.
Okay.
And yeah, the Greek gods, Bohagidakis. So now what happens, Kore, team rekiwa ki Binoni United.
Barisa status.
No, Binoni reka status.
Silent.
So now we're taking over from Binoni.
Okay.
So now Binoni comes, I think it was 6-7 games to go.
Okay.
Binoni ka hili bona babata fightela winner league. I think Amazulu got promoted that season. So now they came up Ndlovu regular status batla ko PSL. Ona re santse re sale ka da o Cape Town ka Binoni re dlale
ba so mabili.
yeah ba so pa mabili ona re ya Mvela
Bone ba ya PSL.
ba ya PSL. So now gazo ha o le ka da professionalism ye level boaji dakis abasaleyo. But then now you find yourself you're on your own. Since we pandele no. O lady bo time abako Blom. Yeah. So before ba paisa team, Neil Tovey was the coach.
Okay.
Yeah. Aba fetsa o paisa
Nelly coach guy.
Go Hellenic.
Go Hellenic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Before ba sign Barikisa status. After they sold the status, I decided I never get problem like the NFT ke ahlanya. Aye, well. Luckily enough, Sundowns I'm Neil Tovey. Yeah.
Yes.
While I'm still playing go NFT. Yeah, Neil Tovey is a keeper the types so now So no, I found out Tore Ajax was also interested in me. So now Ajax yam pizza ko di office tsa bona man. Ba rentanga I'll try la it's next. Contract. Yeah.
And go Lanzan.
Ke Lanzan ke go Cape Town life ya ka se tsile ka da. Ke rai man angeke. Ke a dula yi. Mr. Committee san se di pampiri se le contract a be ga so.
Peanuts.
O ba tlong ka ya lesson ke thola ko NFD ga so. Cause no Ajax had that thing out they only sign young players. They were good ka promoted youngsters. But now they didn't develop me. Ba ntotse se ke sharp
Ready made.
Yeah, ka ya contract e o ring ai o dlala ka nna ke ngenge ke re ke just because ke mo Cape Town. And in the back of my mind obviously coach Neil a itse ba wa zwakala ga o zwakala. Yeah, so now I decided also to take a chance.
Bo khotla
Haima o lady abatsave next o re ke ya duwe. Next ke fly ile Sundowns impuketse flight kaya ka da. I think
The agents at that time, on agent.
inele no. Next na agent.
Next na agent
Next
at
na
that time,
agent.
okay.
Also.
Okay.
So ha ke fitla ko Joburg ke startile ka gym a week.
The Sundowns.
Yeah, le Sundowns. It was I think a week long trial. And then I left.
Obola keep.
Ke wela Cape Town. And then after a week, if my memory says me well, that's when they send me a contract ba sign. Sundowns. Yeah, but then now I can't just sign on my own. So I'm sick child time and everything. Yeah, but then Libona no now that's when they said baba. Time aga mupukela akupuke. Reta meet go Joburg. And then this is where now we met Surprise Muriri. We arrived at the same time go Sundowns. Thabiso Ramile, Ezro Mnyandoro.
Hey, yo.
Josta Dlala, Brian Baloyi, if my memory serves me well. Yeah, that is where now ke starta ke meet mashita teng. Yeah. Phela ha ke fitla go Sundowns, o tswa Hellenic raso. Nobody knows you. Nobody.
Hey, go Cape Town.
Yeah.
I remember.
Mare situation e bile mnati because I was not the only one on that from a small team. Bo surprise bana ba tswa from Silver Stars, bo yeah. But wa ba qadiwang ke bo Josta Dlala, bo Brian Baloyi, Peter Ndlovu. Yeah. Nna le Thabiso a re tswela go di team tse. Yeah. Mara hai ke yone ntwe ne re pushitseng ga so entle ga bona mo re entle ke mo kanana mo.
Ya no le mo ke Natasha kana bo.
No. Motsepa na se tsa Covid. I think yeah, Motsepa o na se tsa paile
2004.
Yeah, 2004. Yeah, I think Motsepa had bought 51% the previous season.
Yeah, 2004 he took 100%
Yes.
control ka 2004.
Yes. So I feel ne se tsile Motsepa mnotho azang. Wa bona dala. Yes. And wa bona le nako yo gazo ne. O fitla o thola all these big players when they look at you obviously they're going to be like who's this? Yeah, you see, even if they didn't tell you, but then
could feel.
So now coach was Doleza Ali Niltovi by that time. Doleza, yes, that coach. He believes in her train. Wamati wada. Wamati you.
And for stand when I
get to a I can't next when we really unknown. More push and Spanish thing.
O na le mo o butse re mang kana go ke mang mntu
Thabiso
Ramile.
Thabiso Ramile
Feet.
O ka mo left ke ka mo right.
So Dlala defense already.
Yeah, so it's because Niltovi before vaya kwana se tsang introduce go team.
Converted go Hellenic.
Go Hellenic because Liliko national team he was our coach under 17.
Okay.
So now that is where now our relationship started in the Niltovi national team before he came to
Sundowns.
To Hellenic. Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, so to go to Sundowns, it was a mission, but then when you got there and then you realized what you can make out of your life, yes, I couldn't look back. Yeah, I couldn't look back. So the way it was too hard, too hard, but then nothing comes easy. Yeah, so I think the guys that I want to surround at that time, because we stayed for long hoteling, not Thabiso. I'm not sure about Surprise. But then there was a few guys back kwale se fela go hoteling. Ha o tswa gymming room kana gazo.
Okay, no,
o ya no, yeah, eat and slap. Yeah. And later on we started we found accommodation in Kaufela le Thabiso, we stayed together. Okay. And then we never looked back.
You touched on a very, very interesting point. Most people who are a little bit skeptical or scared to touch on, you said go Sundowns wabona life is keeper la you can make a success out of it. I believe that automatically talks to the rents and cents, which takes me straight to the next question. Can you talk to us about the Mamelodi Sundowns bonus structure? Because I've heard the rumors Mamelodi Sundowns bonus structure was crazy. Talk to us about that.
Yes, you smile. Excuse me. After go Downs, I think there was no basic bonus structure.
Okay.
When that season, I think this is when the season Motsepe took over.
Yes. Yeah.
We would play games, Razone, and then for the first time in my career, because I remember the tournament before the season started, the Telkom Charity Cup. If you can,
yes.
Yeah,
there's 4 teams and
we won the tournament, Razo. And he doesn't have that much money because but then you're expecting
it was more about charity.
Yes, you're expecting Zotola Masentingana. Razo, the president tells us that he's gonna double the money as he winile.
Yeah.
Razolam, you hear what I'm saying? I'm not making up story.
Yeah.
Shelter tournament.
Yeah, tournament. He doubles it.
Yeah, man, that's crazy if you ask me.
Wale sharela times 2.
This is pre-season, Razolaka. We finished that Telkom charity tournament.
Sure.
Hey, President
Yeah.
tournament.
We go into the season, Razo. We start playing now games, and I think our first game was Santos in Cape Town. If I can remember, we won 2-0. Our first game, it was Santos. So now, I think we won 2-0 or something. There's a call. I think the manager was Harry Street. He just comes in the dressing room and calls the president. President, they played well. How much is the bonus?
How?
Razulam. No, how much was it last week? And then when it started, I think we started 5,000.
At that time.
It was
That time,
Yeah.
2005.
5,000.
4 years.
I think we went on that season, 8-9 games without losing.
They can pull 10
10
games.
10 games I lose. Every time we ended up, it's a call, president, 18,000. Let's on Saturday. Wednesday, I would say, how much was it on Saturday? Here is 18. I no give them 90.
And I don't know we
That time, we're not used to the signing on fee. Hellenic. And then now, signing on fee waits. Salary
bonus again. Again a banking of Balifagalto.
No. But go banking. Yeah. At times, Razone, you didn't have time to spend that new because we had so many games because we compete modi competitions and we were included into the national team.
Yes.
Like now, the teams that Sundowns for Pirates. You don't have time to misbehave or because once if it's okay, oko campaign via. Like now, Sundowns you got Club World Cup. But we need league. We spend the league. That's about the Champions League,
Coach is also Dodge or Kaulin you.
That is why Rebidel Matata bias, but Marai, copy there. That is why Rebidel Matata bias somewhere. Hey, Mara Matata Tengata copy.
Why born a poo?
Yeah. So now, I think there was a point in surprise and a renally meeting the president thing. Are Koena. President re faith anu you wow.
Surprise.
Surprise, yeah. Nere winner. Nere winner as you sing kanya. President am Shaila Street a rentanga. Ke tsa nyoko ke go betse. O go sun ke tse next. You le nana go le janyu kwaka. Next.
That's Motsepe.
Ke le fasent.
I end up no it's the player of the month.
Why?
Razo player of the month will get 30,000, 25 and then 20. Somehow, but decided there's players Baba push more training, but they're not getting game time. So I can 10.
Players, you don't make it. You do not make it.
You didn't make not even 18. You don't go to camp, Razo. You don't make it. You've been training hard in I decided the president like your only worry there as Kitiski. You don't have to get no Majita, they're not worried about anything. Our salary localing and everything. So imagine if we had like 10 teams like that in South Africa. Our football will be
England.
England.
So with so much exposure, I assume that automatically invites trouble. Like they always say, more money, more problems. Surely that automatically talks to your lifestyle, your nightlife, your one way or another, banyana, batwa the possible drugs, alcohol, whatever it is. But moment is shelter. I mean, they're at your disposal. So how much, Charlie, talk to us about your nightlife. How much did that affect your off the field lifestyle, which automatically talks to your nightlife and everything?
I think, let me start here so that we can understand. I'm from the academy, Hellenic.
Hellenic, yes.
Once
Cape Town.
Molanyana. Once via Otswaka gate, you go to school. After school, if the same bus that dropped you is by the gate, you enter the same bus, go back to the academy. That's the life. Until Kilala first team, or until they sold the team. We were still maybe around the vicinity academy when they sold the team. But then it was less than a month that we played in the NFD. You come back to Joburg, Razo.
That's such exposure.
We understand life at Joburg, Razo.
Yes.
I'm from jail. I'm busy jail. I'm busy jail.
Go ahead.
So now I get my freedom back.
Yes.
That freedom comes with Nyugu and fame.
A buyer.
A buyer and fame.
Fame. Which is not easy to handle.
That is what I'm saying, Razo, that at times you would just wait for game Pele. After game, I used to stay not Notabis like, hey, besohlangana emnyango masiye game noma masibuya.
Yes.
We're playing for the same team. I take uniform for after the game. Let me put it like that. Uniform for after the game. That's your jeans. That's your T-shirt. If we play Saturday, I'll come back Monday morning.
From dressing room to Munating.
I get what capitalize this one. Nah.
From dressing room.
Gazo, there's a possibility when you go back to the house, you might not come out. We're staying together. So, while you're camping already, away uniform. Away uniform. So now, that's why. Once you have money, hot maniac, and there's nobody who's here to say no to this 1, 2, 3, it's very difficult for me. Let me make a better example. We had Lerato Chavangu, Lungisani. No, Lungisani was not there yet. Lerato Chavangu, Tabiso Ramile, and obviously, ngeke siskimane kuphela ngala machita dlalele Sundowns. So now I had to Bochis Boy Mokwena, and there's Edward Malinga, Bo Gift Liremi. Wabona and once we say it's re kopana ko ndawong a gona go kgalema ngomo. So now the schedule di tshwana. If maybe Pirates e chima ka 4:30 afternoon, Sundowns e chima ka 9. So Baba Pirates they won't say to you so mo kitla.
Le kena se
Bona ba kena afternoon. So problem e go re ha o re wa tswa entanga la ya o qena. Ya di last. Say, Luana o re. There was another place that was famous kana kotseli. Kadi Sundays by bisa intersection. If people would drive from Free State Stars, because a lot of soccer players it was too nice, guys. No fighting and regularly together and so when but baba famous balbakalo in the one place.
So give style because of ubile wana le mag ne go identify ka yona. Yes, blonde. Hey, the significant that mark, that blonde, it means, it says something. But when I say blonde, Marana go identify. Why blonde?
You know what the nice thing about the blonde? Kanaki kichune from Cape Town.
Okay.
Azanka starta go Gundawan. Because there's this thing, a soccer player, you want to stand out. Right?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, you want to stand out, but then you don't just stand out. You must stand out because everything.
Sure.
So now, once only youngster, and then you get given that credit to Raumna, and then now you start going to the national teams. Blonde.
Sure.
Yeah, maybe batho ba tla mponanyana ba tla recognize ka yona. Not realizing you don't need that, boy. Already you are recognized. Udlala Sundowns. Yeah. West. Yanong ka kopana le Gotman ya ka Sipho Nunens ne ke mo first time. Ba ma Gotman ba la
No comment. No comment.
That time, Razo, Aki Kopana Sipho, he was hot property, Razo. He was playing well, Razo. They're sensational. He was doing well, Razo. And when I arrived more teaming, so he's the one that welcomed me. I went on look dressing room, so I got out of Ploma. But of the field, team and I.
Le bua tala e one.
Re bua language e one mare
Is age mates.
ai mare
Yena ka hlola.
higher grade yena Siphola man. Wa bona like khala le mo gaming
Sure.
like no
Siphono-
nna ke a fitla no. So no nke se ke vae ka pace avanga yona. Sipho fast lane no. Ma wa tshwana ke dula ke le.
Okay.
Tshwana ha re a vai. Tshwana ha re.
Okay, so ke yone into le ding ya gore because of Jay-Z o no dlala ka yone.
Yeah.
E ne le ya ga.
Ke thola ba ka ale serazo.
Oh,
Ale so re ntwana.
Eh.
So no ho le hore ke lo ploma le Thabiso. Ne se ke tshabela Sipho a re move into.
Ubona.
I know it was too
Recipe
much.
for disaster.
It was too much. Gazo a bekana problem akake umuntu umkhuzayo go rentanga wo. Ha tswa Jimmy nje santsubele something yana. Cha. O rasta lingazo like no.
That is too much.
No.
We mentioned ukuthi elite life lapha bekomnandi nishaya waya akho umuntu okhuza omunye uthi uyavaya omunye athi eyashaya yadilasi obvious before you know it it's 3 o'clock it's 4 o'clock in the morning. There is a rumor enkileka iwutlwa so you are here to prove we verify rumor yo ke nnete kapa ke eng. There is a rumor enkileka iwutlwa hore sometime while you go Sundowns Daniel Mambush Mutawo kwile wa ulata ka Chisampama Kampama wa re Chisampama. Firstly kiniti na that thing ore Mambush kula o tshwara ka club if it is kiniti talk to us why nekwetsa itseng exactly u fitlela ore Nombush atla a re ntwana va club ke
First of all, Razo, let's start first. Okay, Mambush na le famous ka di goals and everything. Ka o di kora Flanders for captain Mamelodi Sundowns.
yes
And what else? There's something incident that happened on live TV.
go Charles Mutlo ashapa Charles Mutlo Kampama
Okay.
hana se happened.
All right.
I remember that incident on
All
national
right.
TV. Yes.
We had just played on, I think it was a Sunday, game ya rona ne le Sunday. So now what happens is that we don't get off on a Monday because we're playing again maybe Wednesday. Yeah. So now maybe that following day was recovery. Okay. So now mongondo na Smereza le Machita. Ne ke se one ne re paengana. Paulo so na le teng le ene mo group ya ka ithotseng something. Mpamanyana.
Mpama
Yeah.
Polos masakile no thotse Mpama. Polos.
Gazo re paya gazo. It's just that
Imang o distributor Mpama tsenga. Ke mambushi ka ke.
you know Tambushi he used to love the youngsters so much because we used to work hard, especially at training. When they say physical training or something, so we used to be so closely, and of course he wanted the best for us. So now Limpa it was just to keep
To the
keep us
right
in
boy.
lane.
e mone bua.
Boom. Because what happened is that Razo, okay, I'm talking about myself. We won on Sunday. Monday, we recover.
You recover yes.
So now, recovery, we're not going to train.
Ke
Ke bo stretching, bo wa bona,
O bone
generation.
Ke etsetsa yona.
Bye man, ai fandaka. Ke bujupa gazo. Ke bujupile. Yeah. So a tsa re bujupa man ai. Ke a utla o senga re tsoa mo ai. I am not in the state
So, yeah.
Spain. Mara hona go go Spain.
Ja.
Yeah, mara ke recovery ya o ba fetwa. Ai so etsa hale aba son trape so ke tla re ke tshabang. Re vele Spain. Eish. Tambushi no ka go wa bona o bone a few guys. You know, o sa start time isa mahlo. Ha o dumedisa no ka haka.
Ore
Wa tla Venom mo ka re tshwere anaconda yone hemelang go di muso so ha ke a ntshwara ka letso a re monae man nkga snack ke right Tambushi next ai antontsa go site wa so antontsa go site ngwa o batla go bua nnete ha batle ke mo shasha cause no ha ka fitla le ko officing ke le so cause it happened a lot of times, but we got away with it.
Sure.
And nobody na re khuza. It's just that maybe in it's a build up. A lot of la bona le le tlogotla. Ai antontse go site. Ai o tlile ka re mona. Ile go betse na ko mang. Polite, calm. Yeah. Ha ke re ke bula molomo ya Razo.
That have
shwa kampa Tambush, you know wow tla spaneng le so ha o bone o dlala ka span yeah
Oh, yeah, no,
le kwa eh
no, no, Khalime.
dilo tsa lona di va sharp and everything a le fetsa le batla go starta ka di khutisa o kitlile nako mang ya ke batho bitsa ba bang ba latile after cause nna ke bua saka yeah cause ba bang ba ka se bui razo mang nna ke bua saka and le ene wa cava Tambush and kusale ka molebo wa from pama ile cause
that guidance.
yeah after that nearly after yeah wa bona ne ke starta ke ba le cafe-nyana this time fantswe
Okay. Yeah, injalo ke siyeza lapha eva kwethu ukuthi lapha insizwa Captain Mambush wayithanda iqembu lapha la iMamelodi Sundowns in such a way ukuthi he had an eye for the youngsters mabephuma esporweni bekwazi ukuthi emfana utswile mosporong aruchisa mpamanyana and then they know what they have to start towing the line. But it was all because of that lucrative Mamelodi Sundowns bonus structure lapha nje isho lapha insizwa lapha Vuyo Mere ukuthi that bonus structure was out of this world. So one way or another, that money it became a little bit too much for them. Bahluleka lapha we manager lapho basebeba in night life tabi sebafake inkingeni. Luckily to having senior players like Mambush, they were there to lapha to guide the young stars. So lapha Mamelodi Sundowns to fast forward 2013 wanyuka walaphana eNorthwest baringa sothu bukoni buphiri yeah walaphana eNorthwest Platinum Stars. I will zoom in specifically to 2013 because you guys go Platinum Stars 2013. You were out of this world and you're a little bit personal, especially when it comes to Orlando Pirates. You did something in 2013. I believe you guys nashaya Orlando Pirates 2 times kuma final I2 kwisizini eyodwa. Talk to us about that krach that let benyenza ibe personal now towards Pirates 2013 ukuthi iPirates niyenze nje some smallanyana team niyenze nje some pap and milk ukushaya iPirates.
Truly speaking, as like nobody gave us a chance that season.
I for one I did it.
Yeah. Because Pirates was doing well. Was also remember they lost in the final of the was it the Champions League or semi-final?
Yes.
So now Tina Platinum Stars with all due respect to Amahotman Bebala, Pabo Benson Klongo, Enrico Portes, Roger, Baggio, Ngambi.
Yes, Ngambi, Malawi.
Yeah.
Malawi, yes.
Elias Mwepe. We were regarded as the rejects because now we're the big teams and now we're going there to Platinum Stars to revive our careers. So now with us being surrounded by those Hotmans that have experienced winner things. Patrick Malokase, you know,
yes.
You know, we had the belief because Razo, we were doing well that season and we were just treated right. Razo. That was the most professional team I've worked at after. Okay, let me just leave it there. Because now they took care of the players. Razo. No player would complain about salary, accommodation, and everything. And with everything, if you can go now, they go Royal Maranga. So look at the facilities that they have there. We had no excuse, Razo, not to win anything. Gym, jacuzzi, everything, the hotel, even the food after training. Not a lot of PSL teams does that. So now we had the belief that we owe it to ourselves and the king.
The king, yes.
Yeah, because the king, support, or you know what? You guys, you don't have to win anything. As long as you're gonna do these Bafokeng people proud, then I'm okay. Yeah, and it's Bafokeng Street. Yeah, and it's Bafokeng Street. So now we had a coach also before we went and to win the cup, Kevin Johnson. Yes, as Kevin Johnson will make you feel like you are needed. So like you'll make you feel like, please, man, you have this talent. Reward yourself. Just reward yourself. And now he believed in us really man. Like I mentioned, the guys that I mentioned. So now experience we had no excuse.
Yeah.
So now we had no fear because now we've got no pressure at all. Pressure to go there and enjoy ourselves. Yeah. And now we look at it, Sundowns new. So now we win this cup. Why? At least nyana
We said that before.
what bafethu.
Eh.
And then Pola Benson had a meeting with us. He said, Bafethu, let's just take it to extra time or penalties. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. And I remember the game, I think the Telkom Cup, Mbombela. Pirates, no. I think Pirates scored first. We equalized and then we scored the winning goal. That was then, even if they can beat us, we don't care. We've got nothing to prove. Away, man. Marok Salayo, Sanse re thole something.
Yeah, ne.
Decent, tse ding ka di bona di medal ai. Bye.
Bank balance there.
Aye, beng man. Namanje ma medal signal le tsona, I don't know where they are. Serious.
It's all about the numbers. Go bank
They
balance.
the medal lo suke imbashile kusasa lo. So yeah, so no I got manaka that is why you see that team Razone. Yeah, bonsa you don't have to have all stars in your team. Just have 4 or 5 people, especially senior players that believe.
And guide the youngsters.
And the youngsters will follow suit.
Exactly.
Yeah, and we had quality youngsters at that time. As Ulu Vompeta, Tsepo Kumete, Tsotsongele. We had quality youngsters. So now, we just made them believe that it was possible.
Yeah.
And obviously, we can't take credit that much because Mudimu made it all possible.
Yeah, no.
You played for the big teams about Mamelodi Sundowns, but that treated you guys pretty well. You've just mentioned Guti Nago Platinum Stars. The treatment was close to the best. So you were good. You were used to good life. Then you also turned up for Bafana Bafana. So I'd just like you to compare the treatment and everything, Yago Sundowns, your Platinum Stars versus Go National Team. Was it equally that good, or were there any hassles at the Bafana Bafana Air Camp?
No. Bafana Bafana is one of the where you just want to go there and make your family proud and the nation, obviously. And when you get there, you meet all these best players across the country. And you found out that Razo, as much as you had an experience, Lego, Figa Sundowns, and you are nobody, you get to the national team, you're still nothing. Penny McCarthy,
Yes.
Bo Piri Isa that are coming in.
Aaron Mokwe.
Bo Aaron Mokoena Razo. Now you look at those players, you're like, wow, of it. You want to long, but then once you start talking to them, Lebona, already experiences they're ones at some point were youngsters in the Bafana team. So now they were guided by senior players and all that. And now once you start becoming free, and this is now when you come at your best. So now you only need 1, 2, 3, 4 sessions with those senior guys, and then now you are in the moon. So because Kali, I know you used to have 5 days before the game for the national team. So now I never so 5 days. Because remember, you were not there by mistake.
Sure.
Yes.
You were chosen because you were doing the job for your team. And not just for your team. Mamelodi Sundowns. Nah, I know.
Yeah, ne.
Nah, I confidence.
So mara se verstaan skilo na sele. Ai verstaan. Ore ya, o ka se o dule ntsinzi monna.
So you see, we need those kind of players sometimes. I think that is why Aile so far in his career, because nobody could tell him anything. Skilo was so confident in himself. We know how end up like Everton.
Yes.
What could it be? Unasi aggressive that much and all. It's just to tell yourself, hey, next. So he has that in him and it worked for him. So now maybe a lot of people might deceive in the wrong way and everything. So this is the arrogance he has. As what behavior? What behavior team
Yeah, time is definitely not on our side. But before we wrap things up, there are some other few things that I'll also like to bounce by you. You did concede that, yes, nightlife got the better of you. You had your jolly good time in your heydays during your Sundowns, Go Platinum Stars and all of that. Fast forward to 2025. There is a player who played for SuperSport United, Mamelodi Sundowns. Of late, he played for Sekhukhune United in the name of Sipho Mbuli. If you were to meet the guy, of which, even if you don't meet him, of which I'm dead sure that you will get to watch this episode. If you were to meet Sipho Mbuli, and furthermore, also considering that you've been in the football arena for the past, how many? 23 years. You've seen it all. You've got Impama Zabomamboshu to show for it. You've been there, done that. You had it all. If you were to meet this youngster, Sipho Mbuli, what advice would you give him?
First and foremost, as I'll remind him, Jorge, football is not a long career. And there's definitely one thing that's going to happen. That road that is taken now leads to nowhere. At the end of the day, Razo, you're going to retire, whether soon or later. You will have time to do all of these things. So now, living this life of Atlangwe Pela A, you must just decide that you stop playing football and then you live that life.
Absolutely.
Because you can't just be a professional when it suits you. You signed a contract when you said you are a professional player. So now behave as such. And now, not many people can come back, and especially with the talent that he has.
Absolutely.
You see, it hurts because now we know, we won't mention names, Raz, of a lot of players who didn't get a second chance.
Absolutely.
So now, if he is going to get a second chance, and I'm praying that he gets a second chance, he must just think of the people that he left at home. It's not only affecting him, it's affecting a lot of people that are depending on him. You know, there's people who are walking around wherever he stays that are wearing Mbule jersey, that are telling people that they are Sedlale. So now, once you go on and do this, when you can go and say you don't care, those people get a stick as much as they get a praise. Our winner when you're doing good things. So I think if you can just start by realizing you've been selfish, not only to your family, but then to the loving footballers or the whole fraternity of football, because we need your talent. There is absolutely no way we can have Bafana, which is not Bafana, and then we have the Kosafa Bafana, and you're not in that team.
No.
Imagine now, Razo, there's a
That
Bafana
now. It's like Africa Cup of Nations. It's like different. It's like Kosafa.
You are not
You've
even
got
on
three
the
Bafana.
You're not even on the list. It's worrying us. And we consider ourselves to be the best player, one of the best players in South Africa. And not because of talent, because now of the field things, you are not even included there. Players like now, Razo, he's supposed to, his peers, Abotevo Mokoena,
Exactly.
they are there now at the Club World Cup.
America right now.
If he behaved, Razo, he's there. He's there. We're not saying, Razo, we must send. Razo. Everybody's is gonna make a mistake. But then, not only the example. Only the example, and now your peers are here, Razo. Who's gonna motivate you if you don't motivate yourself with your peers?
And I know until we buang coming back all sheva Tinezen guy. Molinti, sorry. Tinezen. Imagine go mar give her. Give us Baba envy and hurry. Give
Yes.
from Tinezen. You understand the Baba?
It's very difficult. After football, he's gonna have a lot of time. He's gonna regret of not playing enough. Because Razo, it's not easy after football. After playing football, even though the masters, you still wanna wake up in the morning where you're gymming, where you're
the daily routine no pay.
and then phela life
There you have it. South Africa lapana series lapana of Vuyo Mary Eshe et lapana unawa magama lapana some wisdom angaba nawo lapana ngakwazi ukuthi awashare nayo insizwa lapana Sipho Mbuli if you were to meet him in person. But be that as it may, we are dead certain that Sipho Mbuli will get to watch this episode, and let's hope from lamagama athe ashare lapana insizwa Vuyo Mary. I'm going to get Vuyo Mbuli.
Hey, go Michael. Go. I want to get in your mouth.
Lapana seven lapana good Sipho Mbula will take a leave kule nto theza sure laphana legend a person laphana okhuluma kahle from experience he's been there ukhuluma kahle uyazi kahle lento akhuluma ngayo njengoba bayashina laphana empilweni ukuthi umuntu ohlakaniphile uyafunda kuma mistakes wakhe but umuntu ohlakaniphe kakhulu ufunda kuma mistakes abanye abantu. So let's hope Sipho Mbula will definitely be one of those people abahlakaniphe kakhulu and atry ukufunda lapha njengoba eshilo laphana Vuyomere ukuthi there are other players abawenzile ama mistake and some of them did not even get a second chance in life. So let's hope Sipho Mbula will definitely take a leaf and run with it, and let's hope like especially Vuyo with lapana he hopes he does get a second chance in life. Still on advices, Percy Tau udlalile abo Sundowns, Al Ahly, Qatar. Right now, he is clubless. If you were to advise, or where would you like to see Percy Tau playing his straight come next season? Or if you were to advise him, Enja, Chiefs, Sundowns yambadla, abo Zamalek, abo Pyramids bambadla, all over the show. Where would you like to see Percy Tau campaigning come next this season?
Personally, you mustn't even think of coming back to South Africa. Personally, because South Africa has... Okay, there's going to be a big team. Let's just say he signs in South Africa. I don't know how long is he going to play football. So if that team lets him go, who's going to sign him with the figures of his salary?
Yeah, but if we go Qatar, he was earning 16.3 million a month.
Listen to that, that's a status of
16.3
status as a team of South Africa.
His previous contract, I don't go on. No.
Who's status a team of South Africa? That's what.
Serious. So now the problem is that I'm not saying our league is bad and all that. But then these guys must realize, with a lot of players that are playing our country, they are helping the national team also. They are helping the national team. So, yes, Mamelodi Sundowns is doing good. But then, as much experience as we can get from that side, the better also.
Yeah,
the better. Because now I don't want to see, we've got many cases of players that came back early also, and now they are struggling. Yes. And they were playing at bigger leagues in Europe. They came back, Razo, 2-3 seasons, nowhere to be seen. It has to see a player going on trial. That's what France, most South Africa.
Wait, I want to work already. Give us to learn a lot of cream. Okay, because I'm afraid to go Cape Town.
In debates of Cape Town City, they released.
No.
Now, yeah, recently, but they released.
So, okay, if you are being released by Cape Town, okay, with all due respect to you, I respect that boy. I love that boy. I would love the way he plays. Was there no a team maybe called Norway or something? These leagues where you can go play there. I mean, they know you. They know you as what you're capable of. You know what? I hate mentioning names, but then Mangboni in Tuana, especially in Tuana, coming back early because. Razo, look at how Benny enjoyed his career. He didn't say he doesn't want to play more PSL. He came to play for Pirates. At Wabona, Benny was enjoying his football.
You wanna go with get time. I player, right?
Make as much money as you can. Sure. When you come back home, you come and enjoy yourself. Not to go desperate and then keep on saying, I'll take whatever you give me.
Yeah,
no, Razo, no.
If you still have a chance, make as much money as possible. That's what Nsizolapana Vuyomere has just said. He went on and said, if he were to advise Percy Tau lapana, when I'm Jane would apply his trade elsewhere, not on a South African soil. So we'll be watching the space with keen interest and see where will Percy Tau eventually sign or put a pen on paper and apply his trade come next season. So we're watching that space with a keen interest on that development. Before I let you go, just share with our viewers right now, what are you busy with? How to I say the weekends?
Oh, at the moment, I'm currently unemployed.
Okay.
I'm currently doing my coaching batches. I'll be doing my C license now on the 28th.
Of this month.
Here
in Johannesburg?
Yeah, here in Joburg. So now, but then there's a few gigs that are lined up. And we as a South Africans, I'm a promise. So now, yes, that is why I want to get as much qualified as I can. So now, yes, if I can just now focus on this course now, and then the rest I will leave to God.
Considering your level of discipline, I'm sure you'll ace that qualification. I mean, you showed us flames this morning.
How se le mnate ya no ro wa coach go wena desire ga go nka batla go coach la team e feng.
You know, as I believe in good brand of football, yes, and at the moment for Sundowns ke yone dlalang brand eo. So if I can go back to Sundowns, nka dumela ke kotse matlo gape. Nka dumela ke kotse matlo, but then not closing the opportunities of going to other teams, because now it gives me an opportunity now to go do what I believe in.
Sure.
So with Mebele, there's another team that says, what football do you believe in? And then they give me the opportunity to do it. I'll help the other team. Yeah.
Since you are still unemployed at the moment, so if there's someone out there who would like to get in touch with Uvuyo, how does one get in touch with your social media handles? Do you have them, or how does one get in touch with you?
Yeah, I'm on Instagram, ka Vuyo_Mary. And on Twitter is Vuyomere8. And I think, those are the only things that I have that I'm using for social media.
There you have it, South Africa. We actually apparently of your merit available lapana go X sakhuluma isidala uvuyo sakhuluma ngoshit. Siya X these days. Khona lapana go X nakhona lapana go Instagram. And that's how we come to the end of our show right now. Esibonge Bhutiza for isikhathi sakho ukuthi sithe sakhona ukushaya lapana spenda isikhathi nenje yase Bloemfontein. Moperethe City of Roses. Sibonge kakhulu Bhutiza.
Ngibonge kakhulu for lesikhathi mahotwana baka. Just like my career, it feels like it went by quickly.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
But then now, thank you for this platform and the opportunity to share my story with everybody in our viewers. Don't forget to subscribe for it.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and even better, share the yona lapana episode yethu. Ngaleyo ndlela yobe sekwazi ukuthi lapana sithi lapho kwela sithi make the circle bigger. Ufukwazi ukuthi lapana ushare le episode lapana utshele nabanye uthi Sports Gig with Sibonelo Ngcobo and Lebo Dihlaka kwaye ayifikanga igalelekile.
Njo ke batla e bua vi. Ba go ropile go Blomo. Ko wena fela ba setsa mpina ka wena. O bona pina la.
Akade ilang Celtics. Akade ilang Celtics. Akade ilang
That's a problem.
It's traitor. Uba rekisitsa adlala Celtics. That's the thing.
But then there was a song they sang when we played the General.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ba compose abale.
Yeah, now it's one open.
Yeah, ba compose.
Before we wrap, I was trying kancane.
Angisakhumbuli no.
That's how we come to the end of Sports Gig with Sibonelo Ngcobo and Lebo Dihlaka, where we spoke to the legendary Vuyomere all the way from Bloemfontein. Mopere it's a City of Roses. Insizwa njengoba sesikasa hasho ekijimile go Hellenic Mamelodi Sundowns Swallows Platinum Stars bese nawo namhlanje. On that note, it is bye bye.